Hello everyone, as you can see, we have a new Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. At least it's new to me. We have Tech, of course, from the Bad Batch. In my last video, I unboxed Wrecker, and then we have the other guys as well that we've unboxed. And I'll leave a link to the playlist as well as the other videos up above there. If you have any questions as we go through this, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So what we're going to do today, obviously, is take a closer look at Tech here. What we'll do is take a look at the outside of the box, unbox him, take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, come back, talk about some of the things that we like and or dislike about the figure. So, starting off with the basics here, obviously we've got Tech, we've got the crimson reddish color there, we do have Tech here, we've got a singular sidearm, we have his helmet there, or his bucket, we've got the really cool mural here. Part of me wishes I keep these, the other part of me is like, what am I going to do with it? I don't know. But we'll see. Anyways, so on the back here, it is number 4 in the Bad Batch series. And on the back, it says Tech. Tech is the computer and weapons specialist, the most talkative of the group. His genetically enhanced brain can puzzle through technical issues at speeds even faster than some droids. All right. And then we've got the same mural image over here. Line follows all the way through, and then we are back to Tech. I know some people ask, you know, where I order these figures from. In this case, I pre-ordered him from a couple of different places. I ended up getting them from GameStop. I also pre-ordered from Target as well. I went ahead and canceled that pre-order, so maybe he's available now for you guys. I don't know. It looked like he was going to be coming out in November. Obviously, this is before November. Hopefully, this comes up before the end of September. So that's why I'm unboxing this guy today. Speaking of new figures, I do have a bunch of new figures that finally arrived. I had this huge drought, and now I have 4 new ones in my possession, plus I have 2 more on the way, and then I have another special figure that's not Black Series, but it's one that you guys have been talking about for a while, so I'm looking forward to unboxing that as well. So if any of that interests you, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see those videos. Anyways, all right, back to why everybody's here. Let's go ahead and unbox Tech here. We're going to do it from the bottom, like we always do. It's just easier that way. I'll get Tech out here. It's looking good so far. Backpack. Sidearm, which is always a pain in the neck. There we go. Just took it right out with the tape. And then the bucket. Okay, good. All right, I will be right back. I'll get everything cleaned up and we'll take a closer look at Tech. All right, so everything's cleaned up. We can take a closer look here. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the backpack first. It's looking all right. You know, decent amount of molding there. Kind of like some weathering on the pack, but that's not there, but that's all right. Paint is worn away, but that's fine. Blaster, nothing to write home about. This is just a standard sidearm. Just taking a quick look, it doesn't look like Tech here has a holster, which is always upsetting, so womp womp. And then we've got the actual helmet itself, looking super cool. The visor does come down. The paint on the front of the visor is actually really good. I've seen a couple of unboxings where the paint is sloppy on it. It looks really good here. So overall, not too shabby. So good job so far. Right away, which is a complaint that a lot of people have, I wish that he had his goggles. Yeah, so we'll come back to that. Ooh, Looks like the tools are loose. That's awesome. I was not expecting that. All right, so let's go ahead and look at what everybody is interested in. We've got the face sculpt here. It looks pretty good. It's about how I would envision him looking in real life as opposed to the animated version of Tech here. So head movement all the way down, all the way up. We'll do that again from the side, all the way down, all the way up. He does have the double neck joint, one at the top, one at the bottom. Taking a look at the back, it's not bad. And arms, they will go all the way up. The pads go underneath the shoulders there, so he's able to get some decent movement. And again, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below there. We do get a little over 90 on that arm and also on this arm as well. So that's something that I always look for. And then the movement on the arm is at the elbow, as with most of the newer figures here. And then this one is giving us a left-right. This one should be an up-down, as it is. Torso, decent movement, as you would expect with such a small amount of armor. Not like Wrecker over there, although Wrecker did move really well. I was happy with that. The belt is not attached, at least, yeah, not attached, so you're able to get some good movement there. The pouch here, which I really wish was a holster, but what are you gonna do? Legs, good movement there, and good movement on that leg as well. Knee, what are you gonna do? It is just okay on that movement. Movement at the bottom of the knee, and then looks like normal foot movement there as well. All right. I do like the detail on the pouches there. That's pretty good. And that is that. So now what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and take some pictures. I'll be right back. We'll talk about some of the things that I learned, maybe some of the things that I liked and or disliked about the figure. As we're going through here, make sure to give the video a like, and if you have any questions, ask down below. And we'll be right back. All right, so I think that was a good look at Tech here. Overall, really good figure. I'm glad that I've able to amass the collection of Bad Batch figures that I have so far. Taking a closer look at him though, negative side, I really wish he would have had the goggles. I also wish that he would have had some sort of holster or some place to put his sidearm. That's always a pet peeve of mine with any of these Black Series figures, whether it be a Jedi's lightsaber or a trooper's sidearm. Whenever those are missing, you know, the ability to do something with them, I'm always like, come on, Hasbro. But anyways, so bright side, the tools. I was not expecting those tools to be able to come off. I was super happy with that. I only took one of them off, however. I was just getting a little nervous. Sometimes with these Black Series figures, you start taking off things and they become very loose. So I didn't want to mess with that. The belt on it, I was really happy that the belt was not attached, so that way you still get some pretty decent movement on there. So yeah, overall, really happy with the figure. Like I said, I should have left a link up here for either links to the other figures or to a playlist that is just on the Bad Batch Black Series figures. If you have any questions on any of these, make sure to ask down below. Just in case you are interested in subscribing to the channel, here are some of the next figures that will be unboxed on the channel. I do have a few others from the Power of the Force line as well, so looking forward to unboxing that. I'm looking forward to comparing Greedo to the Amazon exclusive one that came out recently as well. So anyways, I hope you like the figure. I hope you like the video. If you have questions, ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that are Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related, but we also do other things that a professional geek might find interesting, and me, myself, being a professional geek, like to share things that are of interest to me, and will hopefully be of interest to you, like obviously Star Wars, but also home electronics, home automation, going to theme parks, things like that. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.